with another video. It is day 8. I'm going to be trying the world hottest noodles or something like that. I'll put a picture right here of the noodles that I'm trying today. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Get settle up. Get settled. I'll be back. So right here, I'm just setting up paper towels and all that, just in case I need them. So I'm gonna start eating them, and I'm gonna mute the audio because my coworker was in there talking her head off. So yeah. It was so hot, y'all. I couldn't breathe.
30 hertz straight up.
Y'all, it was so hot I couldn't even eat the rest of it. It was just too much. I couldn't do it. It was just too hot. My nose was running. My lips was on fire. Like, on freaking fire. I don't recommend doing that. I did it at work. I don't recommend doing that. And I told y'all, see my lips stay right here. Like, I do not recommend y'all doing it. That shit is hot. I mean, it ain't worse than the hot chip challenge. Hot chip challenge is way worse, but this is bad. And I'm at work doing it. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl to 200 subscribers. By the end of the year, please, y'all, it's December 8th, please get me to 200 subscribers over there so I can do more challenges for y'all. But that's enough for this video. I'm out. This shit hurts.